This is going to be a video tutorial on how to set the Vivaldi web browser as your default web browser. I'll be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have the Vivaldi web browser opened up now. To set Vivaldi as your default web browser, very easy to do. All you have to do is go up to the V in the upper left hand corner. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the dialog box that opens up, the pane in the left hand side, you want to make sure you're on the General tab. And then the first thing right here, Set as Default. I'm going to click on it. Now another dialog box opens up, and in this Search Apps field right here, I'm going to put my cursor in there and I'm going to type in Vivaldi. And I'm going to click on Vivaldi right here. Make Vivaldi your default browser. I'm going to click on Set Default. Now Vivaldi is my default web browser. Thanks for watching.